today I'll be doing a demonstration of a clean installation of Windows 10 Pro on this system. Alright, let's get right to it. So the first thing we'll do is power down this machine. Power, shut down. So just showing that the machine is indeed down, no power indicator LED. Next we'll install the flash media with the operating system. Alright, now we've done that. Next we press the power button on the system unit and repeatedly toggle the delete key. And now we are in the user interface. From here we go to BIOS. We select boot option 1 and we change the boot media to the installation media that we would have just inserted. Now that we've done that, we select save and exit. And we select save and exit setup. Select yes. And there we go. We have started the installation process. So we have the language here, select next, install now. Here we do not have a product key, so we select don't have a product key. So as mentioned before, we'll be installing Windows 10 Pro. Select that, select next. We accept the license terms, then select next. And we're not doing an upgrade, we're doing a custom installation. So we select custom install Windows only. And now we select the drive partitions and delete these. So we're deleting all except one, the unallotted partition. Now we select next. This will take quite a while to complete getting the files ready for installation. So we're now at 15%. So I'm just going to pause the video until we are closer to the end of the process. So now we are at 91%. So we have just installed updates and now we're finishing up. I'm going to pause the video here again and get back to you when we have advanced in this process.